Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. My subject today is a lot of fun because it's very vibrant, this flower, but it also has a lot of sharp edges. When I was looking it over, I was thinking how to best photograph it. The number one thing that came to mind was control, in two different aspects. First is the lens work. I wanted to control the depth of field and the plane of focus. So I'm using a 45mm tilt shift lens or perspective control lens. It is tilted down a little bit so the plane of focus matches the flower. I have an extension tube on here so I can get close to 1:1 or macro. The second part was the lighting. I wanted to make sure the lighting gave me some nice texture and also glow from the center. The LED is going into this first reflector. It's about 15 centimeters. It's backlighting a little bit and also creating some nice texture on the front. Now the primary reflector is this little small 7-centimeter one that's kicking light right into the middle, creating that nice glow. I always like the light in 3 dimensions, so kind of like a bank shot in pool. I have light hitting one reflector and then going down here to the front and lighting the underside. And then the final reflector is this one right here, and we're just lighting the background. So let's double check focus and see what we have.